Hello, I'm going to show you how to pay a bill that a tutor issues to you on TutorBees.net. I will walk you step by step through the process. First of all, you will click on Bills and Payments. You can see the unpaid bill here. You can see the due date of it. You need to pay the bill before it expires. To pay the bill, you will need to click Generate Bill. Now, you can see the invoice. This is your paper ID. You will need ID to pay your bill. You can copy it by clicking on this button. If you have a debit or credit card, then you will click this button to pay your bill right away. Before making this payment, please make sure that your debit or credit card is enabled for online transactions. If you're not sure what it means, please call your bank and confirm with them. Secondly, if you're based outside of Pakistan, we recommend that you call your bank and inform them that you are going to make an online payment to Pakistan. They will enable the card to make this transaction if it is not already allowed. Now, just fill your card details here and click on Pay button to pay the bill right away. Please note that TutorBees.net does not save card details. Please feel free to contact us at admin@TutorBees.net for any queries and suggestions.